Advanced forecasting models with Excel. The objective of this course is for you to learn advanced forecasting models main concepts from proficient to expert level while you practice with Standard & Poor's 500 exchange traded fund prices using Microsoft Excel as your analysis tool. At the end of this course, you will be able to evaluate if time series is first-order trend stationary through deterministic trend test, Phillips parent unit root test, and first-order seasonal stationary through deterministic seasonality test. Estimate Box-Jenkins RMA models such as random walk with drift, differentiated first-order autoregressive, seasonal random walk with drift, and seasonally differentiated first-order autoregressive. Assess if time series is second-order stationary through Elhoum-Box-Lagged autocorrelation test and multiple-order stationary through Harke-Bera normality test. Approximate RMA models with forecasting errors or residuals assumed as Gaussian or student-t distributed and with Boller's left symbol, Gluston-Jagannath-Runkle threshold gauge effects. Evaluate models forecasting accuracy through scale-dependent, scale-independent error metrics, Anakaike, corrected Akaike, Schwarz-Bayesian information loss criteria. And assess model with highest forecasting accuracy residuals or forecasting errors strong white noise requirement. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate who wants to learn about advanced forecasting models using Microsoft Excel. You're an academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in advanced applied statistics, econometrics, or quantitative finance. You're an experienced finance professional or business data scientist who desires to apply this knowledge in advanced investment management research or sales forecasting.